Welcome to our Excel tutorial, where we'll explore how to generate random values effectively. Whether you're creating mock data for testing, simulations, or just looking to introduce variability into your analysis, mastering these techniques will be a valuable addition to your Excel skill set. We're starting with the first method, which utilizes the RANDBETWEEN function. This straightforward approach is perfect for when you need to generate a series of random numbers within a specified range quickly. To begin, select an area in your worksheet where you'd like to populate the random numbers. In the top left cell of your selection, enter the formula equals RANDBETWEEN 100. This will give you a random integer between 1 and 100, inclusive. After pressing enter, you'll see a random number appears in the cell. Let's say 57, as an example. This number is generated based on the range you specified in the RANDBETWEEN function. To fill the rest of your selected range with random numbers, use the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it down or across the range. This will apply the formula to all cells in the area, creating a set of random numbers. Moving on to the second method, we'll generate random items from a predefined list. This method is particularly useful when you need to select items at random, such as fruits, names, or items from a catalog. Start by preparing your list in Excel. For instance, you might list various fruits down a column. This list will serve as the pool of items from which you'll randomly select. To generate a random item from your list, use the formula equals index $D $2, $D $11, RANDBETWEEN 2, 11. In a blank cell. Here, $D $2, $D $11 is the range of your list, and RANDBETWEEN 2, 11 generates a random round number to select an item. Once you press enter, you'll see a random item from your list appear in the cell. If the formula doesn't work correctly the first time, double-click the cell and re-enter the formula to resolve any errors. As you apply the formula to other cells, you might notice some duplicates in your list of random items. Unfortunately, this method doesn't prevent duplicates, so you may need to manually adjust if uniqueness is required. For our final method, we'll tackle a more complex scenario, generating random numbers from a given list that also fall within a certain range. This is useful for targeted data generation that adheres to specific constraints. Assume you have a list of numbers and you want to generate random values that are both within the range of 1 to 50 and also present in your list. You can use the formula equals index $1, $14, RANDBETWEEN 150. To achieve this, after pressing enter, check if the generated number satisfies both conditions. It should be within the 1 to 50 range and should be an existing entry in your list. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. You've now learned how to generate random numbers and select random items from a list in Excel, adding a powerful set of tools to your data analysis and manipulation toolkit. Thanks for watching our tutorial on generating random values in Excel. If you have any questions, need further clarification, or would like to see more Excel-related content, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.